Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup tenant portals using Rentec Direct, full guide step by step clearly. To backup tenant portals using Rentec Direct, start by logging into your Rentec Direct account. Navigate to the dashboard. Once on the dashboard, locate the Properties tab in the main menu. Click on the Properties tab to view your properties list. Select the property for which you want to backup tenant portal data. After selecting the property, look for the Tenants section on the Property Details page. Click on the Tenants option to access the tenant list. Review the tenants associated with that property. Choose the first tenant from your list to access their portal. Within the tenant's profile, locate the Files section. In the Files section, you will find any documents uploaded by the tenant. To download these documents, click on each file individually. Repeat this process for each tenant associated with the selected property. Once you have downloaded all necessary files for the tenants, return to the properties list. If you have multiple properties, repeat the process for each one. To ensure all tenant information is backed up, consider exporting your financial reports. Navigate to the Reports tab on the main menu. From the Reports list, select the relevant financial reports to export. Choose the date range for the reports you want to export. Click on the Export button to download the reports in your desired format. Now, ensure you save all downloaded files securely on your computer or an external storage device. Additionally, consider setting a reminder for regular backups to keep your data up to date. Following these steps will help you successfully backup tenant portals using Rentec Direct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.